Learning to do, doing to learn, earning to live, living to serve. The motto of the FFA and the motto that I now live by. Freshman year was where it all began. I initially took Ag Science because I thought that it would be an easy A and a good boost to my GPA. But in December of my freshman year, I received the first degree out of 4 that you can obtain as a member of the FFA, the Green Hand degree. That night, when I was chosen to read a part of our creed in front of the chapter at our meeting, I knew that FFA was going to be a huge part of my life. The following year, I got really involved and joined one of the hardest contests that the FFA has to offer, Agricultural Communications. My fellow teammates and I worked very hard to prepare for the state contest, and it paid off because we won and went to nationals the following fall, representing the state of Ohio and placing 8th in the nation. This contest was the main reason why I decided to major in journalism. Being in the FFA, community service became very important to me. From volunteering at the Cross Mound Park to help clean up vandalism, to volunteering to help out with the Pelotonia bike tour. The FFA taught me that it's excellent to give back to the community that gives a lot to you, and it gives you a sense of pride and accomplishment that you might not otherwise receive. My senior year, I was chosen to receive a scholarship that enabled me to attend a conference in Washington, D.C. I can honestly say that it was the best week of my life to date. I learned so much about myself during that week, and it changed my life forever. And I would never have had that opportunity if it wasn't for the FFA. By being chapter secretary for 2 terms, doing community service activities, being involved in contests, representing our great state of Ohio 2 times at the National Convention, and changing our chapter in more ways than one, I made an impact on the FFA because it made an impact on me, and I can honestly say that I do not know where I would be without it.